Do you like trekking? Yeah, this activity I usually choose if I don't have any urgent tasks need to do on the weekend for my job or any appointment with my friend with or any meeting I need to join. So the first thing if I choose doing on the weekend is go to trekking. I really like to trekking on the mountain, on the forest. From last year until now, if I free, I always choose trekking on the forest. When I come there, I can enjoy with atmosphere very clean and can enjoy this landscape very nice. I can zone in and relax. I can stop my overthinking. I can like reduce the stress on my last work. Many pressure, many stress mm, on I put out when I come in come in checking in the forest. Only work, enjoy the landscape, take photo. Sometimes I can miss some animal like monkey inside the forest. I usually do this because after I go to trekking, I feel my energy can recharge and I have powerful for next week for do anything for my job next week. If the second two, if I don't go trekking, I I I also want uh, go along to the coffee shop for read book, then set some appointment with my friend for play sport like tennis, play football. Um, I always choose my weekend with some activity for like export person. Yeah, can give you relax and free breath energy and can do anything you want. Thank you.